Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create tank level up-down animation in EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert. I will use class to create tag and OPC DA to set up communication with Schneider M340 PLC. Let's get started. First, we create one small project in the Control Expert PLC software. Start, stop button. Then use translator is really okay. Then use add instruction variable 1. Increase the one every circle. So after increase the 500 is the light is on. So he's just stop, increase. Then we push stop button. Is we use sub instruction is tank level decrease. If your tank level less than the 0, the net 1 is on. The net 1 is on. It's just move 0 to variable 1. Okay? It's simple. Start, stop button is light. Add is sub. It's GE grid. Then 500 LE less than 0. Okay? That's it. I use simulation to do this job. Okay, now it's working. Yeah, start, stop button, everything is working. So now I want to communication with Machine SCADA Expert. We should use OPC DA software. I use this OFS OPC Factory Service. This is Schneider the OPC DA software. Okay. Now we start SCADA software EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert. Okay, here we choose Windows EcoStruxure Machine SCADA Expert Supervisor. Okay, we use default. First, we create the tag class. Okay, go to the global tag, go to the class, insert class, tank. Okay, first one, here is the class, the element. Okay, start, stop, light. First we go to here, we check. Oh, it's light 1, no. Yeah, we should all this way. It's all the variable should be marked HMI variable. Okay. So we start again. Okay, light 1 variable 1. Okay, here is bowler, motor is bowler, stop is bowler, is light is bowler, is light 1 is bowler. Here is variable is integer. Okay, we save. Okay, we close here this one. We go to project tag. In here, you can see this one, all the tank, this structure have all these variable. Then we go to project tag, insert tag is tank 1. Okay. Yeah, tank 1. In here, tank 1, we choose type is a tank. Okay. Save. We close. Now we go to communication. Go to OPC XMDA. In my previous video, we talk OPC UA. Today we use OPC DA. Here is OPC DA. First, connection, insert, test. Okay. Here's data access 2.00. It's localhost. It's a host name. We use local. Okay. Then here we choose Schneider Alt OFS. Okay. Okay. That's it. We double click here. OPC XMDI. Here is coming. Okay, test. Insert. Okay. Tank. Level. Okay, tank level. Connection. With connection test. Yeah, with connection is a test. Root. Double click here. We choose test. Okay, this is root. In here, we choose tank. This one classic. Go to the member tank. It's light. Light. Light 1. Well, okay. This all the tag. We should know this tag name just is structure, this tag is element. Okay. Here is PLC tag. Here just a connection. Okay. Start, stop, light, net 1 variable. Here is similar. Okay. We save. Okay. I'll save. Yeah. That's it. Then go to the graphic. Go to screen, create a new one. Test level. Okay. Then we can create then create tank, create display. We still use light palette. This one. Right, okay. Okay. Now we just a connection. This one is a start. Go to the command. Go to the talk taker. Go here. Talk taker name. We choose. We go to class. Is a star. Okay. Is star. Okay. Stop. Oh no. First we go here. Tank with light. Okay. Light one. Tank one. Light one. Okay. Now we go to this animation. In here, we should use. We choose this tank. Then we choose the bar graphic. Okay. Make sure is dark. Okay. Gray. Double click here. Oh, sorry. Here we can see is green is vertical. Okay, it's up. This number is 500. Okay, is tiger. We choose. Variable one. Okay. We can try. Save. Okay. Oh, first we go to here. Go to setting. We changing view. No start maximum. Resize border. Okay. Save. We run. Now we can start. Look here, you can see stop. Look, go down. Look, here is on. So also we can change it. Go to here, go to color. We can double click color. Then here we can choose tanker is variable. Then here is 0. We can choose blue is 200. Choose green 400. We choose yellow, orange 500. We choose red. Okay, we save. We can try again. We start. No, first stop. Start. Look. 200, 400, 500. Okay, we stop. Okay, that's it. Okay, today I just show you how to communication is OPC DA and setup is classic, and how to create animation is picture. Okay, thank you very much.